Greetings, I'm Otto, the Metalkake. How nice of you to stop by. Now that the holidays are over, we can have our champion return again. Franz!
Like Jesus, I have arrived!
Yeah! So Franz, how's your Christmas? Did you get any cool presents?
No.
Well, let me show you some of the things we acquired. Oh yeah, check it out. New year, new stuff. Now, all of this, most of this, isn't actually mine, but the cameraman executive producers. Hers. Yeah. Anyway, we're gonna show it to you. First off, check it out. A Moltres legendary battle deck. With the fiery rubber chicken. Next up, this I actually got from Mox. It's a redemption box for Champion Spot.
Amazing.
Consider this the most metal box ever, the True Steel collection with Zacian and a bunch of different boosters. It has a pin and a figure. The girlfriend was missing Suicune pin. She had Entei and Raikou. Now, Suicune as well.
Trinity must be a pop.
Yes, the legendary cats.
Cat?
Entei is a lion, Raikou is a saber cat and Suicune is something. What's next? Check it out. This is actually mine. The VMAX box Pocket Monster. We had a Charizard who brought a gift. He's called Dande, who we call Leon. Hello. We have Xenoblade Chronicles. Have you ever played Xenoblade before?
No.
Surprising.
I want to look.
Along the same lines, we have an original sealed copy of Pokemon Gold.
From centuries ago.
Yes. Japanese Game Boy Color. This is for the girlfriend's collection as well.
Yeah.
I do think she will... I do hope she will not open this anytime soon and try it out. As we do have English copies as well. That's a collectible. From my friend over in Japan, Tokyo. You actually know him.
Oh yeah, I do.
Next up, also from Japan, we have a booster box of Shiny Star V, which has the most important shiny Pokemon ever. Black Wool. Black Sheep. It's Black Sheep! These cards I got from Mox. And the girlfriend got a pair of Expedition Flappers. Because, you know, Christmas tree and stuff. Also, PSA 10 based Raichu.
Gucci.
I mean, he's had a rough night, but I still love him. Genghis Khan from Jungle. A Palkia from the year 2000. Bunch of different Delta species cards. And the big one. Jolteon. As you might know, I love evolutions, especially Jolteon. But this Jolteon is metal. Metal. Next up, we have the Dark Blastoise. The girlfriend likes Blastoise, so Dark Blastoise Hollow from Japan. And this is actually interesting. We have a bunch of these legend cards, which you can align and get a nice picture.
That's right.
Yeah, these were kind of rare. We have Entei and Raikou. The girlfriend is a fan of Entei, so that's why it's a theme here. Also, from Zaba cards, we have custom-made ancient Suicune, Raikou, and Entei. These are actually quite funny.
Yes. Pretty dope.
Do you remember the Ancient New
Yeah.
we got from the movies?
Yeah.
Those were the inspiration for these. Extremely nice quality. Be sure to check out the Zaba cards. The man is also extremely nice.
Friend of show.
Yes. Let's get into the PSA pile. Maleficus, also known as SPI.
Yep. One of the favorites.
Fantastic. Also, Jolteon! Look at that paw. Gem 10.
One of the executive producers.
Yes, first up. This is Sylveon. And Gardevoir, Rainbow Red. I'm usually not a super big fan of Rainbow Rare cards. But this one,
It works out.
it works. It looks nice.
Next up. A
From
Suicune.
Hard Gold, Soul Silver, we have the shiny Suicune. Yeah, it's a shiny. Even though it doesn't say shiny.
Yeah.
As well as this one, shiny Entei! Mighty Roar. Speaking of Entei, we have the first ever Entei card.
2000.
From Japan. The first ever Entei created. Look at that.
Imagine.
The Japanese horse are happy.
Yeah.
Last but not least, we have the disguiser herself, Mimikyu. Yeah, so Team Rocket versus Satoshi. Set. Rockets. Team Rocket's Mimikyu. PSA 10. However, the most awesome gift ever are the socks I got from Daniela, the OG producer. Behold, custom-made Metalkake Pokémon socks made from alpaca.
That's pretty rad.
What do you think of that, huh? Cool! We had a fantastic Christmas. We ate too much food and opened up gifts, went to visit the animals, you know.
And listen too many Pokemon songs on his Spotify.
So Franz, do you see anything you like?
Well, my favorite of this bunch is definitely the VMAX Super Cherche. It's a beautiful kaleidoscope of 2020 and kind of shows me what all the things I missed, you know, during this year. So yeah, let's open this shit up.
Excellent idea, since, as I said, it includes every booster set from the year 2020, which was interesting to say the least. So, how about we dig into this then?
Sure. Sure.
Oh. Let's start off with Sword. We do not know it, so let's not do anything.
Green Monkey.
Let's go like this. Grookey, Galarian Stunfisk, Ballface. There's your rare. So the card trick is one. When you get Zone and so Wobba Fat B. Also, a T-box. You're not guaranteed any holos in Japanese packs, so.
Ah, okay.
Well, since I took Sword, you wanna go with Shield.
Yeah,
Let's get it. And the card trick is one to the front.
one to the front. There we go. One to the front.
Yeah, that's perfect.
Alright, let's go. I get,
The berry.
looks like, you know, I'm the pink elephant. It's like Dumbo. Or, you know, Dumbo? Because this.
Oh, the flying bastard.
Yeah.
Raccoon.
Raccoon.
The fish.
The fish.
The bigger raccoon. The medium-sized raccoon.
I like the family of raccoons.
Next up, we have VMAX Rising with the body full of swagger. Let's go.
Good.
Comes at the front. I still prefer the Japanese background. Zatu, Bus, Plate,
Fish.
Magikarp. And
Damn.
we got the Nostril Snake. Tsunohebi.
That's true.
Cool! That's not too bad. That's not too bad. Next up, we have the...
What?
The font is so weird. Come on, have a go.
Yes.
Okay.
The card trick. Here we go. This
Jumbled Mess,
Sure.
also known as Spiritual.
okay. The thing.
The bag. The hat. The trash.
The energy.
What's he said? Oh, wow.
Oh no.
This was called Explosive Diarrhea. No. Wait. Explosive something. Explosive Walker. Let's call it Explosive Diarrhea.
Yeah. Like an anime villain.
Bullshit. The bird. Burning forests. What about the cats? Purloin.
That's nice.
More
More fish.
mushrooms and the bigger cats. So it's called the Bard.
Next.
Next up, Mugenendo. Now this set was originally called World's End or something, but they changed the name. Wonder why.
Thankful.
We got a Gigigigiaru.
We got a mechanical problem right here.
Yes. Oh,
Oh yeah, the brain parasite.
host has taken over. Metal Bird. And a Gothic Girl. No, Nizu. Pierce. Brosnan. Now we're getting to the good stuff. Legendary Heartbeat. Legendary Heartbeat. This is maybe my favorite set from the Japanese series last year. Legendary Heartbeat. Sounds like an 80s song.
So you're betting on what?
I guess. Giraffe. Getting.
Bird.
Trumpet bird. Trumpet. Demise. Anchor. Did we get a holo. Shaman. Pretty cool.
Thank you, Finis.
German. And switch. Last actual booster. Shocking Bolt Tackle.
It's a cool name.
Yeah. Let's go.
Let's get this bread. One, maybe.
Yes. Hoping for Pikachu. Explode. Is loud. The goat.
Goat. Dog.
Fish.
Fish. Tord? It's a type of tortoise. That.
Technically has Nissa.
Oh, it's true.
Now this is special. There is 4 different possibilities we could get from these VMAX special sets. They're all equally quite nice, but we also get 2 special energies, and I like the hollow energies anyway. So
Hoping for a metal energy.
let's see what we get.
Oh, jeez.
We have Kevin, also known as Cramorant. But actually, this artwork, even though this Pokemon sucks balls, I really like this artwork, so it's the best possible outcome. And 3 hollow water energies.
Okay.
The hollows are extremely nice.
Sorry.
Cool!
So that's that then, huh?
From the V Super Share box, we got Kevin, Son and So, Nostril Snake, Shaman, and a bunch of energies.
What's your favorite?
The water energy.
My favorite is the Sonanse.
Sonanse. Yeah, cool.
Yeah.
The year 2020 was interesting to say the least. It had its ups and downs, some challenges, but I met all of you and this community, my friends, and you met me and Franz. I don't know what the forthcoming year will hold, but what I do know, that it will be metal. So, subscribe to the channel, maybe share this video around, and stay tuned, and I will catch you all in the future.
Dry krydda säger man det. Dessutom